right, ladies and gentlemen. OBS live streaming. Eagle Dog coming through to you loud and clear, ladies and gentlemen. Broadcasting live to the interwebs. Gosu Jam, Gosu Game Jam, February 2022, Overlord. This is a quick look at the Gosu Coding Jam, February 2022. A game called Overlord. Here it is loaded up and playing. Preliminary basic game engine implementation. Walls. A little bit of a bug there. Player can catch the ball. So this is the basic start out point. It's a 1 week countdown to see which team can come up with the best game for the February 2022 Gosu Game Jam. This entry will be called Overlord, or at least that's its working title. That'll work. The Game Jam theme was released today. Nobody knew ahead of time what the game theme would be, except perhaps for Cyberarm. He might have known ahead of time, but the rest of us did not. And the Game Jam theme was revealed only a few short hours ago. Logic, adventure, and castle. Castle has been selected. So the theme is castles for the Gosu Game Jam 2. Official Gosu Game Jam 2. Gooey Gooey, Orange Flash, Eagle Dog, Cyberarm, D3, NX have all signed in to wish everybody luck for this game jam. I myself am teaming up with D-Bro. And what we've got going so far, here is our map, which is just made up of all these different little bits of text. In fact, I'm going to replace some of these with dots. Right now, it's quite a slow, painstaking process to edit this map, as you can see right here. But we'll try to fix that later. I'm working on my sound quality, testing out this microphone setup, getting situated here with sound quality. This is a first live streaming cast of the Gosu 2022 Game Jam with the Overlord game entry. This is our basic implementation. We did not know that this was going to be castle themed. This is what we had come up with, and we were like, all right, what's the theme going to be? And now it turns out to be castle themed. So now we're going to be like figuring out how to adapt this kind of rudimentary game engine to a castle. Now, one good thing that we do have here is a map editor. This is our basic map editor that Debro and I were able to get set up. Well, mostly Debro. I did not have that much to do with it. But basically, we can paint on this map any kind of item. And we can also erase. But the issue is that now we want to try to get our map editor to be able to have a button over here to say save. And like save the map and then use it in the game. So far, we do not have that level of map editor functionality. So far, we're doing it the old-fashioned way, like back in the 1980s, with this text-based mapping system. But when we make changes in there, we can come in here and test them out and see what we've done. Gonna have to work on the ball physics a bit. This is the Overlord game. Overlord Gosu 2022 Game Jam. Ruby coding live stream breakdown of the preparations for this game jam. I can even see myself live streaming right here as we speak. So that's the introduction. I'll be working on this game jam submission, Overlord, and programming it in Ruby along with team members. And I'll try to make some other updates, some other posts to demonstrate how the game is advancing and changing, and what types of improvements. Maybe try to figure out that bug where it's going through the wall there. That'd probably be a good starting point for the next project. Thank you for joining me this evening for this live cast of the Overlord game, preparing for production, live streaming with 0 concurrent viewers and 0 likes on the people and blogs category.